based in beautiful countryside on the edge of the Yorkshire Dales in the north of England. Snugpak are a manufacturing company with 40 years of experience, specialising in lightweight sleeping bags, insulated clothing and camping equipment. Snugpak have been keen to embrace advances in technology to remain competitive within the market. Ideas are brought to life using CAD software by our in-house creative team. Fully automated quilting machines draw in fabric and capture the insulation. Each piece is individually quilted, protecting the insulation before it continues its journey through the factory. Each piece is inspected, cut and sorted by hand. Small teams of specialist sewing machinists then assemble the item in the traditional way. Our quality control and inspection team ensure an exceptional product every time.